Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you on how to downgrade your plan on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, you will open your Revolut app or your website and make sure that it is available on your in your country so that you will be able to actually do these steps. So after you log into your account and after filling in your credentials, what you will do is tap your profile icon and then you will click settings and then you will see plan. So go ahead and click it. Tap change plan and then select downgrade to a lower plan. Review features and any limitations and then you will tap confirm. Your plan is now downgraded, and that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.